Welcome to a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment at 3705 North Kedzie Avenue, apartment number 204. As we walk in, we see a very spacious combination open concept area. To the left of the walk-in is the entry closet and the washer and dryer. So let's go down here and explore. As we walk towards the end, we're facing a nice large balcony facing south. And to the right is the open concept kitchen area. Nice granite counters, lots of cabinet space, dishwasher, fridge and stove, and a microwave. Double sink with a disposal. And off to the side is a nice little dining area, or it could become an office. Right across on the other side here is we have the master bedroom, a nice size, and the bedroom has its own walkout to the balcony, a large walk-in closet, and your own private bath with a jacuzzi tub. And as we go back outside here, to the right, we have the second bedroom. Nice size for a queen size bed, good size closet down at the end. And directly across, we have the second bathroom. So that's 3705 North Kedzie Avenue, apartment 204. We're just a few steps from the Target shopping center as well as Jewel Osco, and a short walk over to the Blue Line. Give us a call at 773-961-7962 or visit the website 3705kedzie.com. Thanks, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you in person.